So this just in, not news, but my box. That's my little stupid little Gucci note. So let's see what came in today. I should turn this Queen of the South off. Yeah, the one guy he talks like this, Teresa. He doesn't sound Mexican or maybe Colombian. I'm not sure, but anyway. So here's my new opening of my new shoes. Sorry, I gotta use both my hands here. Same old cards. Extra set of strings. And we're looking at these. Bam. What do you think? It's the first pair. I think they're hot. At first I didn't like them, and then I bought them. So I guess I'm forced to like them now. This is just a little Gucci Flora perfume that they have. Each my box is smelling good. They were like super hot. It's hot out here in Clan T. And this is my second pair because, I ride motorcycles, and to drive where I work, they make you wear high top shoes and blah, 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 blah. They got to cover the ankle. You get the same little German, French, English, Spanish, and something else language. They have a RFID in them too, so that's actually pretty cool for the tracking. So these are my little high tops. Again, extra strings. It's kind of cool. And here they are. My little high tops. Okay, I'm not good at this, so I'm gonna hold them. But these are my little Gucci black sneaks. There was another pair of blacks. I didn't like them. But then I didn't like these yellow ones either, and I still got them. But yeah, there you have it. Two sets of kicks. Two more sets of kicks. And I'm out. Willie Styles on the Gucci shoes.